Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study link reaction. Now, pyruvic acid or pyruvate. This pyruvic acid, which is the end product of glycolysis. Now, this pyruvic acid, as you know that it is produced in cytoplasm, and when it produced in cytoplasm, it enters into mitochondria from the cytoplasm. From cytoplasm, this pyruvic acid enter into the mitochondria, and in mitochondria a reaction occur. This reaction is called a link reaction, because this link reaction, it is a link in between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. It's also called gateway pathway. Now, pyruvic acid, first of all, this is a pyruvic acid. This molecule is pyruvic acid. Now, in pyruvic acid, in mitochondria, decarboxylation occur. Decarboxylation, it means carbon is converted into carbon dioxide. A removal of carbon from the molecule, this is called decarboxylation. Carbon, addition of carbon is called carboxylation, and removal of carbon from the molecule, this is called decarboxylation. Decarboxylation occur, carbon is converted into carbon dioxide, and the remaining two carbon molecule, this is a two carbon molecule, is called acetyl, and the formation of this acetyl is called acetylation. Now, this two carbon molecule is called acetyl, and this synthesis of acetyl, this is called acetylation. This acetylation is two carbon molecule. And dehydrogenation also occur. Dehydrogenation, it's also called oxidation. Oxidation is also occur. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. D means removal, D means less, removal of hydrogen, and this hydrogen is picked by NAD, and NAD is converted into NADH2. It means in pyruvic acid, what changes occur? First of all, from pyruvic acid, carbon is converted into carbon dioxide, and then acetylation, which is actually two carbon molecule, and last one is a dehydrogenation. This is a acetyl coenzyme A. Two carbon molecule is a acetyl, and in this acetyl there is a combination of sulfur containing coenzyme A, and this two carbon molecule is acetyl coenzyme A. Now, this acetyl coenzyme A enter into Krebs cycle. Let's study in detail Krebs cycle. Let's start with Krebs cycle. This cycle was discovered by British scientist Sir Hans Krebs. Therefore, this is called Krebs cycle. It is also called citric acid cycle. Citric acid, first stable molecule is a citric acid, hence we use the term citric acid cycle. It's also called tricarboxylic acid cycle. Tricarboxylic acid, the first stable molecule consisting upon 3 carbon, hence the cycle is called tricarboxylic acid. Now, this is a acetyl coenzyme A, which is formed after the link reaction in mitochondria. This acetyl coenzyme A reacts with oxaloacetic acid. This oxaloacetic acid, it is a 4 carbon molecule. Oxaloacetic acid is a 4 carbon molecule, and this acetyl coenzyme A, it is a 2 carbon molecule. It reacts with oxaloacetic acid, okay, and after it is converted into 6 carbon molecule, and this 6 carbon molecule is called citric acid. Hence, this cycle is called citric acid. It is a 6 carbon molecule. Citric acid is a 6 carbon molecule. Citric acid loses one water molecule. The citric acid loses one molecule of water and converted into cis-aconitic acid. This is a 6 cis-aconitic acid. Cis-aconitic acid, the water molecule reacts spontaneously with cis-aconitic acid to form isocitrate. After the reaction of water, means addition of water in cis-aconitic acid, and this cis-aconitic acid is converted into isocitrate. Now this isocitrate, this is also 6 carbon molecule. This reaction is involved an intermolecular arrangement in citric acid to convert into isomer isocitric acid. This isocitric acid is a isomer of citric acid. Isocitric acid is oxidized. Oxidized means dehydrogenase. With the help of isocitric dehydrogenase enzyme, and NAD would be converted into NADH2, and it is converted into oxalosuccinic acid. After the oxidation or dehydrogenation, it is converted into oxalosuccinic acid, and in this reaction NAD would be converted into NADH2. Oxalosuccinic acid loses one molecule of carbon in the form of carbon dioxide. From oxalosuccinic acid, carbon is converted into carbon dioxide with the help of an enzyme oxalosuccinic carboxylase, and the 5 carbon molecule is called alpha ketoglutaric acid. You can see this is a alpha ketoglutaric acid after decarboxylation. Oxalosuccinic acid is a 6 carbon molecule. After decarboxylation, it is converted into 5 carbon molecule, and this 5 carbon molecule is called alpha ketoglutaric acid. Now from alpha ketoglutaric acid, again decarboxylation occur. Carbon is converted into carbon dioxide, and NAD converted into NADH2, and synthesis of 4 carbon molecule from the 5 carbon molecule. Alpha ketoglutaric acid is a 5 carbon molecule. This 5 carbon molecule, with the help of enzyme alpha ketoglutaric dehydrogenase plus coenzyme, it is converted into succinyl coenzyme A, and it is a 4 carbon molecule. Succinyl coenzyme A. The succinyl coenzyme A loses a enzyme coenzyme A, means minus coenzyme A, and gets converted into succinic acid. Now this succinyl coenzyme A, it is converted into succinic acid. One molecule of water is consumed, means addition of water occur. One molecule of water is consumed in this reaction. At this step, one molecule of ganosyne, GDP, ganosyne diphosphate, would be converted into ganosyne triphosphate, GDP converted into GTP. Now ganosyne triphosphate, this is not a energy currency of the cell, and ganosyne triphosphate, it provides this inorganic phosphate to ADP, and ADP would be converted into ATP, and this formation of ATP, this is called substrate level phosphorylation. Now succinic acid oxidized, mean dehydrogenase, and FAD would be converted into FADH2, flavin adenine dinucleotide. It is just like a NAD, nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide. Now this is through the succinic dehydrogenase enzyme, FAD would be converted into FADH2, and after oxidation or dehydrogenation, succinic acid would be converted into fumaric acid. Here in this step, addition of water occur in fumaric acid or fumarate, and it is converted into malic acid, and the last malic acid is oxidized, mean loss of electron and proton, and picked up by NAD, and NAD would be converted into NADH2 with the help of an enzyme malic dehydrogenase, and this malic acid again converted into oxaloacetic acid. In this way, this cycle is completed. By this reaction, oxaloacetic acid regenerated to react with acetyl coenzyme A for continuous